G'day guys, let's try speed run this session. Speed run meaning not waste time, but we're gonna get into it. Current time is 5:58. We arrived at the gym at 5:55 p.m. and now we're getting warmed up for a little bit of a clean and jerk session. Wanna be doing a bit more focus on front squats today, as well as some shoulder presses. That's a brief overview of our session, brought to you by Utilise Support Services. As we capture today's session, we're going to talk about long distance running and zone 2 cardio. Because this morning, we did ourselves a little run. Shout out to Andante Run Club. 3rd week going strong. All right. We've been at it for 5 minutes now. We're almost finished with the warm-up. We just have a few more warm-up sets to get through. And while we are taking a quick breather, let's start on the topic of zone 2 and long distance running. So now that the rugby season is finished, it allows me to add more variety into my training. Usually during the season, I wouldn't do long distance running. All my running would usually be just the load that the legs need. For zone 2 cardio sessions,
I would do it in the gym on the machines most of the time during the season. 20 minutes minimum for my zone 2 sessions.
Let's get back into that because we've been resting for too long. 2 minutes, too long. So as we were saying, that's my load during the season. I do most of my zone 2 in the gym. Pretty much all the running happens at the club trainings, Tuesday, Thursdays. Now that the season's over, I'm able to play more volleyball, do some long distance running, whether it's by myself on the road or in the run club. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. You probably haven't seen my old videos yet where I was a lot chubbier, 20 kilos heavier. I used to do long runs all the time as my main way of getting into physical activity again. Out of shape for quite a while, and sometimes it would just be a walk, a nice little walk in the neighborhood. And the reason why I bring this up, this little backstory, is because I know what it's like to have sore knees from running. I know what it's like to, you know, the mental push when you're not wanting to do it. Just remember, even if you go out for a walk, beauty, mate. You should just do it. It doesn't have to be the big push that you're used to if you come from a high performance background. You don't want to force yourself into the deep end, otherwise you might force yourself away from the picture completely. You know, if you fall out of love of it, then you fall out of the picture. You just, enough said. That was 2 minutes rest again. We've regressed. I haven't talked about my hobby here on this channel yet. I do love me some clean and jerks. My dad used to do Olympic lifts. Used to be able to do this. This is 100 on the bar, 100 total. As you can see, I'm struggling right now. And a week and a half ago, I was struggling with 80 kilos. The lightheadedness and mobility was struggling. I don't know. I do think I can get this though. We're not going to be able to power lift 100 today, but I reckon I can still catch it. Man, As I walked off there on that last attempt, I was getting that lightheadedness again. Firstly, I'm not dosed up on my creatine like I was when I hit my PBs. I only just recently started taking creatine again. That would have to be a big part of this. It is what it is. But don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Muscle memory. We'll be back. I am going to cap it there for the clean attempts. I thought I was going to be able to do it. I was tempted to still try and catch it at the bottom there. But since we are leaving the cleans there for today, we're still going to do some front squats. So let's get right into that. Apologies for the lighting, guys. Starting to rain outside. The mobility and technique just doesn't feel the same at the moment. It's not feeling smooth, and I think some of my injuries from the rugby season are playing a part in that. When I'm at the very bottom, yeah, my shoulders, with the shoulder injuries holding it up, it doesn't feel the same as it used to. It's a little bit annoying, both ankles and both shoulders, but that's right. Just means we have to work at it. Do what we got to do. Rehab. Back to the topic of the video though. When it comes to zone 2 training, that would have to be my top three most important things in my training routine. Not just when I'm in season, but across the board. And if you are not familiar with zone 2 yet, search it up on YouTube. There's a lot of info out there. The science behind it's been out there for ages. But we're not endurance athletes purely. We are rugby players, guys. We are rugby players. We gotta have, for my position, you gotta have endurance, power, size, speed. For my cut, we're trying to find our limit today. I don't know how much I can front squat at the moment, but we'll find out. Currently got 120 on the bar. Aiming for 3 reps minimum. Let's see. Not bad. Starting to feel my hips shift to the left on the way up from the bottom. So we'll have to nail that. We'll fine tune that, address that. Weakness in that would have to be a combination of things. Not only weaknesses, but tightnesses. So we'll work on that. We'll do 1 rep of 130, see how it feels, leave some gas in the tank for the next set. I'm starting to feel like my glutes on that last set were finally kicking in. We might actually be sitting at a new PB right now for 1 rep max. I don't know though. My front squat 1 rep max at the moment, last tested max was 140 front squat. Well, you know, we never know. You never know until you try. Like the wise words of Smash Mouth. You never know if you don't go. You never shine if you don't glow. Felt pretty good, felt pretty nice. What we're gonna do is go to 145. Nah, can't be bothered. This next set will probably be the last set of the day. Might have been able to squeeze out another rep. All right, I've decided this last set, this next set, our last set, is going to be 140. I was contemplating whether or not I should go 145. That would potentially make us do 2 more sets from now. So instead of doing that, we're gonna do 140 and try for more than 1 rep. That would give us some good info. It's like confirming that 140 is no longer my 1 RM, no longer my 1 rep max, without actually finding my 1 rep max. Alrighty guys, buckle up. Welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority. If you guys get that throwback reference, old school YouTube, let me know in the comments. All right guys, quick before the hyena comes. Okay, nice. That's a wrap. I was pretty hopeful that I was going to squeeze out 2 reps there, but not today. It was a solid rep, but we're leaving it at 1 rep. The time is now 6:46 and it's time to go home. So after talking a bit about our long distance running and zone 2 training, we will probably do some future videos of actually capturing that. Capturing footage of long distance running and capturing footage of our zone 2 here in the gym. And the last thing I want to say for this video is a little message to my future self. Self, I hope you didn't give up. I hope you left no regrets and that you